myDW is packed with exciting health monitoring features to help maintain and manage your security systems. In this video, we'll briefly introduce you to each one. With myDW's video share feature, you can upload videos directly from your recorders to the web and share them with others. You can even leave comments and organize videos with tags. With the alert feature, you can create custom rules to allow myDW to send alert notifications to users in your organization. Once an alert has been triggered, you can easily assign it to a technician in your organization and task them with fixing the issue. myDW also keeps a detailed record of all past alerts, which simplifies the process of identifying recurring problems. myDW also allows you to create a variety of unique reports to help you manage and monitor your site. Health reports allow you to view detailed information about each of your recorders. Inventory reports provide a condensed list of all your devices that can be exported and sent to others. Installation reports provide information about the installation of a new recorder and the person who installed it, as well as a thumbnail for each camera channel. Lastly, CVV reports monitor the image quality of your cameras and notifies you immediately of any deterioration or obstructions of the lens, such as spiderwebs, dust, or blurriness. Images and videos on myDW are saved to your organization using cloud storage. To accommodate the storage demands of various organizations, myDW allows customers to purchase additional cloud storage from their installers. Your safety is our top priority. That's why we've implemented advanced security measures to keep you safe on myDW. We use Auth0 and multi-factor authentication to ensure secure access for all users of your organization. This robust identity management system protects against hackers and provides a seamless sign-in experience. Additionally, myDW uses TLS 1.3 to ensure that all data transmitted between you and our servers is securely encrypted, keeping your information safe and protecting your privacy. We hope you found the information in this video helpful. Thank you for choosing myDW for your cloud surveillance needs.